Tired of dashboards that look great on your desktop but are a jumbled mess on your phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create responsive dashboards in Looker Studio and adapt seamlessly to any screen size. Let's dive right in. First, open Looker Studio and create a new blank report. We'll start with a fresh canvas. Next, go to Theme and Layout in the right-hand panel. This is where the magic happens. Under Layout, change the canvas size to Custom. It's important you choose this option so your dashboard can adjust correctly. A good starting point is 1200 pixels width by 900 pixels height, but feel free to experiment. Now, add your charts and other elements to the dashboard like you normally would. Don't worry too much about precise placement at this stage. Once you have all your elements, use the Arrange menu at the top to align and distribute them neatly. This is crucial for a clean, responsive look. Group related elements together using the group feature, so they stick together as the screen size changes. This is a lifesaver for more complex dashboards. Finally, switch to View Mode and resize your browser window to simulate different screen sizes. Notice how the elements automatically adjust and reflow to fit the available space. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create responsive dashboards in Looker Studio that provide an optimal viewing experience for all your users, no matter what device they're using. Now go create some awesome responsive dashboards.